Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia, and today we are going to talk about why most people quit too early.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Yes, this is a very good topic, Sophia. Many people start a new goal, but they stop quickly.
I agree, Ryan. It happens to a lot of people. For example, when people start learning English.
Exactly. They feel excited on the first day. They say, I want to speak English perfectly.
Yes, but after 1 week, they see that it is hard work. Then they want to give up.
Give up is a good phrasal verb. Sophia, can you explain what give up means for our listeners?
Of course, Ryan. Give up means to stop trying. When you give up, you quit.
That is a useful phrasal verb. Let's give another example.
Great idea. You can say, do not give up on your dreams.
I love that sentence. It is very positive.
Thank you. So, Ryan, why do you think people give up so fast?
I think because they want quick results. They want to see a big change in one day.
That is true. Change takes time. If you go to the gym for 1 day, you do not get big muscles immediately.
Oh, really? I thought 1 day was enough. Just joking.
Wow, I wish it was that easy. But no, it takes weeks and months.
Yes, people look at the final goal, and they feel stressed because the goal is too far away.
I think so too. They look at the mountain, but they do not look at the small steps.
That sounds interesting. Can you explain what you mean by small steps?
Yes, if your goal is to read a big book in English, do not try to read it all in 1 day. Read just 1 page every day.
Ah, I understand. 1 page a day is very easy. Anyone can do that.
Exactly. That is a small step. Small steps build a big routine.
Wait, let's talk about the grammar here. You use the word build. Is build a regular or irregular verb?
Build is an irregular verb, Ryan. The past tense is built with a T at the end.
Let's give an example sentence in the past tense.
Sure, they built a beautiful house last year.
Perfect. Thank you, Sophia. Now, let's go back to our topic. Why else do people quit early?
I think people quit because they fail 1 time and they think they are bad at it.
Oh, I see. They make 1 mistake and they feel sad.
Yes, mistake is a normal part of learning. No one is perfect at the start.
I agree. Mistakes are like teachers. They show us what we need to practice more.
That is a great way to look at it, Ryan. If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps our channel a lot. Now, Sophia, let's look at another reason. Fear of what other people say.
Oh, that is a huge reason. People worry about the opinions of their friends or family.
Yes, they think, if I speak English and make a mistake, people will laugh at me.
That is so sad. But usually, good people do not laugh. They want to help you.
Exactly. If someone laughs at you, that is their problem, not your problem.
I think that is true. We should only focus on our own journey.
Let's look at the pronunciation of focus. Many beginners find it difficult. Can you give a tip?
Yes, listen closely. Focus. The first part sounds like go or no. Focus.
Focus, like that?
Yes, perfect pronunciation, Ryan.
Thank you. So, we must focus on our progress.
Let's ask our listeners a simple question here. What about you? Have you ever given up on a goal early? Please write your answer in the comments.
I really want to read their comments. It is interesting to see everyone's stories.
Yes, every person has a story about quitting or staying strong.
Sophia, have you ever quit something too early in your life?
Oh, yes. When I was young, I tried to learn how to play the guitar.
Wow, what happened?
My fingers hurt a lot in the first week. The strings were very hard, so I stopped playing.
That sounds like a classic story. Many people quit music because their fingers hurt.
Yes, now I feel a little sorry that I quit. I wish I stayed with it.
But that is okay. It was a lesson for you.
Yes, it taught me that the beginning is always the hardest part.
That is a wonderful sentence. The beginning is always the hardest part. Let's repeat that for our learners.
Sure, the beginning is always the hardest part. It means the start of any new job or hobby feels difficult because you don't know how to do it yet.
But if you pass that first difficult part, it becomes easier and fun.
Exactly. It becomes a habit.
Let's explain the word habit. A habit is something you do automatically every day, like brushing your teeth.
Yes, if learning English becomes a habit, you do not need a lot of motivation every day. You just do it.
I agree completely. Routine is stronger than motivation.
That is a very deep thought, Ryan. Routine is stronger than motivation. I like that.
Thank you. Motivation is like fire. It starts hot, but it can go out quickly. Routine is like a clock. It just keeps going.
Wow, that is a beautiful analogy.
Let's discuss another point. Sometimes people quit because they lack energy. They are tired.
Oh, tiredness is a big enemy of goals. If you work all day, you have no energy to study at night.
Yes, that is right. So, what is the solution for this problem?
I think the solution is to change the time. Wake up 30 minutes early in the morning.
That is smart. In the morning, your brain is fresh. You have more energy.
Exactly. You can study before the rest of the world wakes up. It is very quiet.
I like that. Let's check a word here. You said fresh. What is the opposite of fresh?
The opposite of fresh can be stale for food or tired for a person.
Great. So in the morning, our mind is fresh, not tired.
Yes. Another reason people quit is that they feel lonely in their journey.
Loneliness? How does that affect a goal?
Well, if you are the only person around you trying to learn English, you feel different. None of your friends talk about English.
Oh, I see. You feel like you are walking alone in a dark forest.
Yes, that is a good way to say it. That is why finding an English partner or a community is very important.
That is true. When you see other people working hard, you want to work hard too.
Yes, it gives you positive energy. You see that you are not alone.
Let's look at the word community. Can you explain it simply?
A community is a group of people who share the same interest or goal. For example, our YouTube channel is a community of English learners.
Wow, that is beautiful. We have a wonderful community here.
Yes, we do. If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, your support means the world to us. Let's continue. What about social media? Does it make people quit early?
Oh, absolutely. Social media shows us the perfect life of other people.
Yes, you see someone online who speaks 5 languages perfectly. They look young and rich.
And then you look at yourself and you feel bad. You think, I am too slow.
But we must remember that social media is not real life. It is just a highlight reel.
Highlight reel is a great term, Ryan. It means people only show the best parts of their life. They hide the struggles.
Exactly. They do not post videos of themselves crying because a grammar rule is too hard.
That is so true. They never show the boring hours of practice. They only show the success.
So we should not compare our beginning to someone else's end.
That is an amazing sentence, Ryan. Let's say that again for our friends.
Do not compare your beginning to someone else's end.
Yes, your journey is unique. You have your own speed.
Let's look at the word unique. What does it mean?
Unique means special and different from everything else. There is only one you in the world.
That is a very nice word, unique.
Yes. Now let's talk about the word quit itself. Is it a regular or irregular verb?
Ah, quit is a very interesting irregular verb. In past tense, it stays the same. Quit, quit, quit.
Oh, really? So I can say, he quit his job yesterday?
Yes, exactly. The spelling does not change in the past tense.
That is easy to remember for our beginner learners.
Yes, it is. Now, Sophia, what can someone do today if they want to quit their goal? What is your advice?
My advice is simple. Take a break, but do not quit.
Take a break. Is a break different from quitting?
Yes, very different. Quitting means you stop forever. Taking a break means you rest for 1 or 2 days and then you start again.
Ah, resting is good. Sometimes our brain is just tired. It needs sleep.
Yes, if you feel tired, learn to rest, not to quit.
I love that advice. Resting helps you get your energy back.
Exactly. Then you can come back stronger.
Let's look at another reason why people quit early. They do not have a clear reason why they started.
Oh, the why is very important. Your reason must be strong.
Yes, if your reason is just, I want to learn English because it looks cool, you will quit when it gets hard.
But if your reason is, I want to learn English to get a better job and help my family, that is a strong reason.
Yes, a strong reason gives you power during difficult times. It acts like a motor inside you.
That is true. When you want to stop, you just ask yourself, why did I start?
That is a powerful question. Why did I start?
Let's ask our listeners this question. Why are you learning English? Please write your reason in the comments.
Yes, we want to know your why. Your reason can help other people too.
It is always good to share. Sharing builds connection.
Let's look at the word connection. It comes from the verb connect.
Yes, connect means to join together. When we talk to our listeners, we connect with them.
That is great. Now, Sophia, let's talk about rewards. Do you think rewards help people to stay on track?
Yes, definitely. A reward is something nice you give to yourself after you do hard work.
For example, if I study English for 1 hour, can I eat a piece of chocolate?
Haha, yes, that is a perfect reward. The chocolate makes your brain happy.
Then my brain thinks, oh, studying English means chocolate. Let's study more.
Exactly. You train your brain like a small puppy.
That is funny, but true. We need positive feelings connected to our goals.
Yes, if your goal always feels like a punishment, you will quit very soon.
Let's talk about the word punishment. What does it mean?
A punishment is something bad you get when you do something wrong, like going to prison or getting a fine.
Right, so learning English should feel like a gift, not a punishment.
Yes, it is an opportunity to grow and see the world.
I agree. Let's look at the word opportunity. It is a bit long. Can you help with the pronunciation?
Sure. Opportunity. Opportunity. It means a good chance to do something.
Opportunity. Thank you, Sophia. This podcast is a great opportunity for our learners.
Yes, it is. Every minute they listen, they learn new words and sentences.
Let's talk about patience now. Patience is very rare today.
Oh yes, we live in a world of instant things. Instant food, instant messages, instant videos.
Because of this, we lose our patience. We want instant English too.
But the human brain does not work like an app. It cannot download a language in 1 minute.
That is a great point. The brain needs time to grow new connections. It is a slow process.
Yes, patience is the key to success. If you are patient, you win.
Let's look at the word patient. It can be an adjective or a noun in a hospital, right?
Yes, Ryan. As an adjective, it means you can wait without getting angry. As a noun, it means a sick person in a hospital.
That is an important detail for our learners. 1 word, 2 meanings.
Exactly. Here we are using it as an adjective. Be patient with yourself.
Yes, treat yourself with kindness. If you fail today, try again tomorrow. Tomorrow is a new day.
That is a lovely thought to keep in mind. Every day is a clean page.
Sophia, let's summarize our talk today for our friends. What are the main points?
First, take small steps. Do not look at the big mountain all at once.
Second, create a routine. Routine is stronger than motivation.
Third, Find your strong reason why you started.
Fourth, do not compare yourself to people on social media.
And finally, be patient and celebrate your progress with small rewards.
Those are wonderful points, Sophia. I think this conversation can help many people who feel like quitting today.
I hope so too, Ryan. To everyone listening, you are doing great. Keep moving forward.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.